Ha Giang, a remote province in North Vietnam, a place of breathtaking beauty and incredible challenges. I visited last year, but this time I came back more than just a tourist.
Here.
That's gonna be a lot to pack.
At least the elevators is here. Hey, yeah. Lại luôn. Heavy. They're all packed already.
There's 100 of these. How exciting. We're adding more. But for now we have noodle, oat, cereal, protein bar, puree of peanuts, Milo, dense milk, sausages.
Yo! You look at Soul, bro. Flat road.
Thank you, brother.
Who's this guy?
This guy.
Free labor.
Let's grab it out of here, hey. I'll grab it out of there.
Josh has already arrived. We got more stuff to add when we get to Ha Giang. 40 kilos each.
Just look at him.
And the bus will be here in about half an hour.
We got some packing to do, boys. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Eraser, pencil, $200.
Loading up the books.
Make the green work.
Quick work you got going on. Robert, cheers. What Demo? Got a nice little production line going. Look at that. That's done.
Mop, hi, yo! Cheers.
Look at them go. They got it. Ready, big boy?
Hell yeah.
You ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Here we go. Let's go. Bye bye.
Bye. Tối đây nọ. Dạ. Cảm ơn.
You barely carry it. No.
Chào con.
Xin chào. Wow.
If we see a really small kid, they might need a blanket more than they need a notebook.
Those small kids, they don't need it.
Yeah, they have an attend school. Yeah. See a kid that like school attending, we give out like the notebook. If we see a really small kid, we give out blanket.
Just blanket for real young ones.
Dạ đi nha. Rồi. Không sao đâu rồi.
Bảo mấy lần rồi cho con đi học đi, thì cứ đưa con đi theo chị đấy. Cái sao mà?
Rồi đây nó có tập vật muốn chút chỗ đó.
a food book and food blanket. So the kids get the blankets and the older kids get the books.
Yeah, but they all got food.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Đi về nhà. Về nhà uống rượu đây.
Chào chị. I think so. Yeah. Voilà. Hard work is done, baby.
Nhỏ thì mình cho cái này. Còn những cái nào mà tầm 5 tuổi đổ lại thì mình cho cái mà có bánh kẹo thôi.
Cảm ơn rất nhiều.
So we half the packets.
Younger ones get blankets and food because they don't need books, and then the kids that like go to school or school age will get the books.
And food.
Mình cũng là một người làm YouTuber.
Alright, time to karaoke. And then tomorrow, we can give more stuff away.
What he was saying is we're gonna go to a school and
Alright.
give out about 50 package.
A small school?
Yeah.
Like
the kids got it.
a small community?
We start in Chuza village. We go this way. Go to Dongban's town. We're driving today about 120 kilometers.
2-year-olds, one class of 2-year-olds, one class has 3 to 5-year-olds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, ready.
Say more going. You good? See you? That's all. The blankets. That's all.
Xin chào.
Các bạn chào đi. Cháu. You ready?
Ready. Tiếp theo.
Cháu.
Tiếp theo. Tiếp theo.
Con mấy nữa rồi? Con nhỉ?
Alright, let's go, Leo. Let's go in.
One, two, 5, 7, 9.
Hey! Doing a good thing, guys.
Yeah, doing good things. I feel great, Trent. Thank you for having this idea. I think we make it came true.
Cho cô thi một cái.
It was pretty good, man. I like it. I like what we did here. We're so proud of it. It's such a kind thing to do. Tạm biệt con.
They don't speak Vietnamese.
Huh?
They come on, which is small.
một tí đi.
Đây nè, cách trở thành rồi. Nghe học giỏi nhá. Trời.
High five. Yeah. Bye bye.
Đừng ham hút con hả? Mì còn một món vào chanh kìa họ. Thế mà phù hợp.
Rồi một ít tập nè, tập vở rồi bánh kẹo rồi này nọ nhá.
Đi đâu đây?
Bánh kẹo rồi mấy đứa. Anh có món quà gửi cho em nè, có gì mang về xài nhá.
Bye bye.
Come on.
Thank you.
Kids were little cheeky buggers because they grabbed the package and hid it away. They already had one, so they're a bit cheeky. The tour is coming to a close shortly. Almost over now. It's been a really successful trip.
The highlight so far? What's one thing that's like in front of your mind?
Going to that school, that's the highlight. Most of them got blankets and winter's coming up.
Yeah.
Damn, she getting married.
Yeah, she is.
Thank you.
Thanks, boy. Okay. Congratulations.
That was actually so amazing.